guests, welcome. My name is Ethan Elias, and I'm a communication design student here in the School of Computing and Design. My emphasis is web design. I'm proud to present my capstone project to you today, Z-Through, Dynamic Perspective Achieved, my proof of concept for what's possible with a live clipping mask. So what is it? Z is the third dimension in computer graphics. You have X, Y, and Z. Z-Through opens a window between the layers, allowing you to look down through and compare layers at any point. You can overlay data, and I'm proposing interaction between layers. So what is it really? The concept I wanted to prove is the value to be had from a window between layers, or what's possible from a live clipping mask. So I brainstormed all the applications I could think of and rendered them out in three main categories: digital design and art tools, geodata, mapping and satellite imagery, and multimedia visualization and games. I imagine Z-Through window as integrated into current graphic design and mapping software, as a browser extension, and as a desktop application. Allow me to briefly demonstrate the Z-Through environments. Purchased a domain with its name and associated common social media sites and linked them all together, and it's already generating some buzz. And these are the categories I was describing: digital design and art tools, GIS and geo mapping, and multimedia visualizations, or they're just kind of the miscellaneous. Which ones do I want to show you? This idea here is, within a 3D modeling program, you might use Z-Through to look between and interact between the layers. I'm suggesting you can use tools to affect the polygon layer and preview changes, work on something, see how it looks, without having to render out the whole surface to the finished version. Here, I'm proposing Z-Through can be open on any web page to expose the divs and properties and code of the underlying page, and even work on them and preview changes and such. With GIS data, you can have two map layers. You can compare one over the other. It's not side-by-side comparison. With Z-Through, you get an instant understanding of the differences and similarities without having to flip back and forth or look back and forth between screens. And Z-Through can be made to look down through layers or overlay layers on top. Bear with me while I make this full screen again. How does it work? The clipping and dragging functions are defined in JavaScript on the HTML5 canvas. Two images are synced one above the other, and the Z-Through window is used to clip through the top layer to reveal the image below. I did the coding in Dreamweaver, made the website in Bootstrap. The graphic design and image manipulation is done with Illustrator and Photoshop. What's next? Z-Through naturally enhances many programs. It can be integrated with graphics applications and browsers through open source APIs, or by adaptation by the software companies themselves. Z-Through can stand alone, allowing users to compare layers of their own or share comparisons online. The potential for new and powerful data visualization is great, as Z-Through is adopted by industry and the user community. What have I learned? This was a multidisciplinary project that brought many challenges. I got a lot of help online and from around the department here. Still, the concept is very new and undeveloped. No functionality exists except the basic dragging and clipping. A great task lies ahead to get Z-Through to perform like it should. Aside from this, the project was a very rich and exciting opportunity for learning. I gained so much better understanding of interaction design, instructional design, GIS, and data visualization. I'm really grateful to all my instructors here at CSUMB and those others that helped me with Z-Through. If you'd like to see more or try it for yourself, please come to the poster session of room 106 or just visit the site, www.z3